Hello， 朱大哥。
好，你好，欢迎你们3位小姐来到我们港口村茶山路。
So today we are here to taste the famous tea in Hangchun. And we use less tea leaf inside and use the hot water because of the low altitude. So we have to act fast. Just 5 seconds is enough.
Wow.
So this color is Taiwan's most beautiful color of tea, right?
Beautiful.
Shall we? What do you think?
Really good. Different.
Yeah. Most original species in Taiwan. So we can later on to understand how it works.
Oh,
Great.
can't wait.
Because of too much sunlight and a downhill wind, so this environment can make it grow so nice. It's very special.
我们今天的任务就是采这样1心2叶的茶叶，然后把这个骡子采满，这样。
采满
Yes.
We have to fill it
to the top.
Oh
my
with all
God.
the tea leaves.
然后我们等一下回去要揉茶，
Oh, okay.
揉茶，然后我们再
Okay.
自己喝茶。
So this procedure is to damage the skin, the outside protection of the leaves. So later on, the taste of the tea will come out. You can see it's dried and a little bit burnt, but not too over. So what do you think of the whole process of picking tea and rubbing tea and stir-frying tea?
Made me really appreciate the art of tea making.
Right.
From the picking the tea was actually quite difficult because you have to make sure that the tea looks correct and that the number of leaves are right, the 2 new ones and the 2 older
Right.
leaves. And rolling it as well. I can imagine when there's so much tea and you're making so much at once, it must be very hard work. So it made me really appreciate that.
So when I was a little kid, we go Yam Chai every week. So I love to drink tea. But it's my first time to doing the progress from 0 to 100. So it's a very special experience for me.
For me, what Zoe said, but it's like I was so excited to know that in Taiwanese, tea is the same as in Spanish té.
Right.
I think it's so cool. I was like, huh? What did she say? Is it really the same word? So I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna tell my family. You
Right.
can already speak a little bit of Chinese.
Right.
You can say té.
Right.
Quiero té. Me gusta el té. I think it's so cool. I was so excited.
Right.
Yeah. So I think it's so much work. Finally, everything is so fast. Like everything is so slow. The process is so slow. You have to pick it up. You have to dry. You have to pack it. And then finally it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and drink. So yeah.
So we just tried a pot of tea and tea bun. And here also there's a special dessert, which is the tea ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Yay! Well, I wonder what it tastes like. 老板，那为什么你会想到要做这个茶叶的冰淇淋呢？
因为现在年轻人都不喝热茶，所以开发一些像冰淇淋啊或者泡茶。
I love you. You know, I told you it's like I don't think tea that much.
Uh-huh.
It's so hot. Generally,
right.
Drinking hot. So in cold form, it's like
Right, especially like in Italy or in Spain, when we ask for like warm water or warm tea, they will think, are you sick? Right.
so like this is perfect. for
Right.
everyone. Yeah.
Very nice. And the taste of the tea with the ice cream, perfect match. Perfect dessert.